Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. I hope y'all are having an awesome day. Hey, I just checked on something because, you know, the Snowman Liener and the Pumpkin Liener that I did reverse. Well, the combo kit is sold out, but you can still get the individual pieces, which are the same price. Anyway, so comment Liener if you want to get that. Also, we had new Try Me kits drop this morning, which are awesome, affordable, and they're like one and done kits. So whenever you comment the word Liener, I put that link in there too. And as always, let me know if those links work for you. Hopefully they do. And y'all, I know it's 11:15, but I'm going to grab another cup of coffee. And listen, if you watched the live last night, did you see these little cute jars that we did? How many of you guys are going to save your jars and make some seasonal night lights? I hope all of y'all are. Anyway, I'm planning on hopping back on here at 2 o'clock, and I'm going to show y'all how we did the little Halloween candied apple. So a lot of you guys said you wanted to see how I made it, and I just kind of made this one like a little, I don't know, wavy, jaggy, whatever, at the top, but we'll do a couple of different versions. I'll show y'all how to do one. It's stinking easy, and I made it to go on top of this jar right here that has the little castle and moon. I think it's cute. It'll look great in your kitchen or like on your tiered tray or something. And so y'all let me know if you're going to grab those Lieners. Y'all, like I said, one, it was like a combo kit. It's already sold out. The other ones are going to sell out quick, and I don't want y'all to miss them. It's the big pumpkin. I did pumpkins on one side, and then I did a snowman on the other side. But they are so fun and awesome. Hey, Johnette. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Sharon. Anyway, so if you didn't watch this last night, go back and watch it. It's stinking cute. And y'all know this is my favorite. I painted it white, and then I put one of our transfers here in the middle. This is a syrup jar from Walmart. It might even be the Walmart brand. I'm not even sure. But it has the little wine bottle lights in it. So easy. And hey, that's another thing I'll do. If y'all want me to, I can get some links together for these different lights that I used. The orange ones were from Dollar Tree. That are in this one. I don't want that to drop. But these orange ones are at Dollar Tree. Oh, Edith, how on earth did you miss that hat? Isn't that glorious? It was one of my favorites. All you got to do is go on the page, click on videos, and then scroll back. You'll see it. It's so awesome. Oh, thank you. Anyway, so join me back at 2 p.m. Central Time for the little Halloween apple. Yeah, you can add anything to, let me grab this. You can add anything to your bottle. This was a maple syrup bottle that we put like this Thanksgiving scene on. And you can put florals and bows and whatever. Anyway, stinking fun. And y'all, our chalk paste sticks to like glass. Like, it likes it. But especially with 2 coats. With one, it's a little iffy. Put 2 or 3 coats on there and you got it. All right, the word is Liener. If you don't, look, I know y'all gonna say, and next week, I didn't get a porch Liener. Well, y'all, go get it because one set's already sold out. Comment Liener, click on the links. There's 2 links. There's one for, what is it for? Oh, the new Try Me kits. Listen, if you've never tried chalk before, these are super affordable. It's everything you need to make a project. Plus, you can reuse the transfer because you're going to fall in love with it. All right, y'all, love you guys. Happy Friday. See y'all back here at 2 Central. Bye now.